Been outside hiking since about 8 o'clock this morning, and it's like 2 p.m. right now, and I'm starting to get a headache from the sun and probably dehydration. And I just remembered that I was so smart that I put this Zaca hydration and liver aid in my pack today, which is just genius. Now this is meant to help cure hangovers, right? That's why they have the liver aid in there too. But how you kind of like cure hangovers is by keeping your electrolytes up, and this is easy enough too. It's just 2 little tablets. If you're wondering, they do taste quite delicious, and I've got about a mile left in the hike, so hopefully by the time I get back to the car, the slight onset of the headache will be gone. I made it back, and I'm convinced that that's what it was, and those Zaca pills helped. Tablets, not pills, because I feel great. No headache. I've been outside hiking since about 8 o'clock this morning, and it's like 2 p.m. right now, and I'm starting to